Healthy food. Chapati and sabji. Juice. Idli. Paratha. Milk. Curd. Healthy food is good for us. We must eat healthy food every day. More, less.
More, less. More and less. More, less.
Alphabet N. Net. Nest. Needle. Nurse. Left curve.
This is our left curve. It's like a C. Now let's understand it with the help of an example. Let's suppose I have this chocolate cake. Yummy! I know you all like it. I want to eat the half part of the cake and half I left it for my brother. Now only this part of cake is left with me. It is in the form of left curve.
Pulses pasting. Tiranga. Take orange, white, green pluses and stick them according to the shape of tiranga. You can use rice for white part. For center wheel, color the rice in blue with the help of brush after pasting. Junk food. Keeping clean.
I wash my hands with soap and water before and after I eat. And every morning and every night I remember to brush my teeth. I have a bath every day and twice in the summer heat, so I'm always clean and tidy and always smelling so sweet.
Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alphabet K. Key. Kite. King.
Full and empty. Tordo, I have so many berries. My basket is almost full.
Me too. My basket is so full of berries. I think I'll eat a few right now. Uh-oh. I think I ate too many. My basket is empty now.
Full. Empty.